Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about tenses. We all know there are three types of tenses: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Today I am talking about the future. There are four types of future tense: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous tense. The first tense for us to look at is the simple future. Now, this tense is a little tricky because there are a few different future simple forms. The three most important are going to, present continuous, and will. Let's talk about where to use these. We use going to express plans and intentions. We made this form subject plus am or is or are plus going to plus verb in a base form. For example, we are going to buy a car. That means we have a plan to buy a car soon. Another example, I am going to start exercise regularly. Now, if it's more than a plan, if we have made the arrangement, then we use the present continuous. This is a tense you know already, and when we use it to talk about the future, it is stronger than going to. For example, I am having lunch with my parents on Saturday. So, my parents and I have a plan to do that, but also we have agreed on the time and place. It's already fixed. Another example, we are flying to Mumbai the day after tomorrow. So, we have purchased the flight tickets and our trip is already confirmed. Now, you might be asking, so what the difference really between going to and the present continuous? I am going to see the dentist sometime next week. Okay, so do I have a plan to see the dentist? Yes, but do I know on exactly what day? No. I haven't booked an appointment yet. If I say I'm seeing the dentist tomorrow afternoon, that is confirmed. I have an appointment. Okay, then what about will? Let's talk about that now. Will is used to express three things. First one is instant decisions. That is decisions that we make suddenly at the time of speaking offers and promises. We make this form with a subject plus will plus a verb in the base form. For example, at a restaurant, a waiter asks you, "May I take your order?" And you say, "Yes, I will have the burger and fries combo, please." This is an instant decision. You didn't plan 2 weeks ago to eat this food at this restaurant on this day. The next example show will used to make offers. For example, these files are really heavy. I will help you with them. So, I'm offering to help this person carry the files. That person can say, "Okay, thank you," or "No thanks, I can do it myself." And here is well used to make promises. For example, "Can you lend me 200? I will pay you back next week." Alright, so far we have talked about expressing plans and intentions with going to fixed arrangements with the present continuous and the three uses of will, instant decisions, offers, and promises. Alright, let's now move on and talk about the next tense, the future continuous. The future continuous tense expresses an action that will be ongoing at some time in the future. We make the future continuous tense with a subject plus will be plus a verb in continuous or ing form. For example, at 11 a.m. tomorrow I will be driving to Portland. So, tomorrow at 9 in the morning I am going to start driving to Portland. It will be take me many hours to get there, but at 11 o'clock I will be doing this activity, driving. Another example, I will be working from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. tomorrow. This is main use of the future continuous tense, but sometimes we use this tense to talk about to fixer or a routine event in the future so that the future continues. Okay, we now turn to the next tense, future perfect. To understand future perfect, let's take a situation. A man, his name is John. He wants to save up some money, so he is going to save 100 a month from now on. This is November, so by May, which is 6 months from now, John will have saved 600 rupees. And another example, before you arrive, we will have eaten dinner and the kids will have gone to bed. The future perfect tense express an complete action in the future. We make the tense with a subject plus will have plus V3 form. And the last I'm talk about the future perfect continuous tense. We use it talk about an ongoing action, an action that will be in progress in the future, and also mention the duration or a length of that action at a particular time. We make this tense subject plus will have plus been plus verb plus ing. For example, by the time we reach Adrapalli Falls, we will be have been driving for an hour. Hey guys, hope you understand everything and thank you so much for your valuable time and bye bye.